how to change your wallpaper on your MacBook or your iMac. So first, what you want to do is you want to do a right click on your screen and then choose change wallpaper, and it will be shown your settings like this. After that, you can just choose what wallpaper you want. For example, if you choose these dynamic wallpapers, for example this one, if you choose here dynamic, then it will change whether you are in daylight, it will be like 1, and if it was night or evening, it will be dark. Or if you choose just light, and it will not be changed at all. Either if you choose dark, it will be still dark for 24 hours non-stop. Or you can just choose another wallpaper like this. Or if you want to choose it from your gallery, you can click on this add photo album and you can choose from your gallery either all photos, your favorite, or people and your name. After you choose your desired wallpapers, you can just click X, and there you go. Your wallpaper is changed. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.